Onshore and offshore operators have significant difficulties keeping electric submersible pumps operational, resulting in significant downtime, production losses, and expensive replacements and workovers. Lone Star created a predictive and prescriptive analytics solution that incorporates cause and effect logic. The solution monitors and evaluates all ESP system aspects, monitors system production efficiency, and predicts system, subsystem, and component-level failures. Not only does the solution provide performance predictions, but it also prescribes mitigating and preventative actions to be taken at the root cause before performance degradation or pump failure. Lone Star analysis software is platform independent and can be deployed at the site, at an aggregation point, at remote locations, or in the cloud. The ESP solution can be fully operational within 6 weeks of client approval and requires no training datasets. In one instance applied within the Bakken, Lone Star's ESP solution helped the well produce an additional $2 million annually based on 800 barrels a day at $50 a barrel.